Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the SIM supports 4G and the account is active, because changing network mode won't override carrier limits. Once done, open Settings and note current network mode so you can revert if needed. Next, launch the phone dialer and enter *### 4636 #*# to access testing menus on many Samsung models. This gives direct control over radio settings. Make sure you proceed cautiously. Incorrect selections can drop. You now change the network preference. In the testing menu, tap phone information for the active SIM slot, then find Set Preferred Network Type. Choose an LTE/UMTS option or LTE only if available to force 4G. This replaces 5G preferences at the radio level. If the testing menu isn't present, go Settings Connections Mobile Networks Network Mode and pick LTE/3G or LTE only. Once set, wait a few seconds for the radio to register on 4G and monitor signal bars. You finish by restarting the phone to ensure the change persists and the modem re-registers with the network. After reboot, check the status bar for 4G/LTE and run a quick speed test to confirm performance matches expectations. If the phone still reverts to 5G, toggle airplane mode on then off, or clear residual settings by resetting network settings in System Options. Be aware this removes saved Wi-Fi. If problems continue, contact your carrier, because network provisioning can force 5G despite device setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.